Today we're going to learn how to make a paper book. These can be used for all sorts of things, both in and out of school, and overall are just a great thing to know how to make. For this project, you're just going to need one piece of paper and a pair of scissors. Start off by folding the piece of paper hamburger style, or by matching up the short sides. You're going to want to make that a pretty good crease because it's an important one. Unfold the paper, and then you're going to fold it hot dog style, or put the long sides together. After you do that, you're going to open it back up and fold the short sides into that middle crease. Okay, now that you've got all of the crease lines in your paper, go ahead and open it back up, fold it hamburger style, and flip the folded side toward you. We're going to make a cut along that center crease just up to the next fold line and not past it. And go ahead and open your paper up and fold it hot dog style again. Push those hands towards each other and flatten it out on a flat surface. Last, you fold it back like a book, and there you have a little paper book.